अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उसमें ग्रामर एमसीक्यूज़ क्विज़ अपलोड किए जाते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, एनालाइज द टेक्स्ट ऑफ इट्स कंट्री फॉर मी एंड गिव वन एग्जांपल ऑफ फैक्ट एंड ओपिनियन ईच। इसका आंसर है, the text of the lesson, Its Country for Me, is simple and easily understandable. It is based on facts and opinions. The example of fact and opinion of each area under fact. Joel is the youngest of Ed and Betty Holland's 6 children. Opinion: after living out here, I do not think I would ever want to be in the city. Question number 2 है, how coherence and cohesion is achieved in the essay Its Country for Me, illustrate with examples from the text. इसका आंसर है, the writer has tactfully achieved coherence and cohesion in the essay Its Country for Me. The whole story revolves around the major character of the story, that is Joel. He is a responsible, intelligent, and hard-working young soul who loves to help his family members at their farm. He loves animals and likes to look after them. His aim is to become a good farmer when he grows up. Logical and verbal bridges are used by the writer to maintain the right balance of the cohesion in this essay. Every paragraph of this essay has a connection with the previous one with the details that are supportive of each other. Question number 3 है, explain the significance of the title Its Country for Me and its connection to the theme of the lesson. ये थीम भी है और ये आंसर थीम भी है और मेन आइडिया भी है। इसका आंसर है, the title of the lesson, Its Country for Me, holds significance with respect to the theme of the lesson as it is related to the elements of hard work and dignity of labor. It is all about the pleasant life of people used to live in villages. By living together and sharing one another's responsibilities with full zeal and zest. zeal and zest के मैंने पुरजोश के साथ. Joel considers his village a country for himself where he lives a happy, contented life with his family, rearing and raising cattle. Rearing and raising के मानी है पालना, ये परवरिश करना. Question number 4 है, describe Joel's treatment of Lambie, the orphan lamb, and Jessica, the small dog. What does this show? इसका आंसर है, the way Joel treats Lambie, the orphan lamb, and Jessica, the small dog, shows that he is a responsible, loving, and caring young child. Joel ruffles the thick fur of Jessica that shows his love towards her. Then both of them move to the barn. On seeing Joel, Lambie quickly springs up from her straw bed and drinks milk heartily. Joel loves Lambie and Jessica, and both of them loves him too. Joel takes good care of them, that's why they like Joel a lot. Furthermore, Joel's treatment to animals shows that Joel behaves just like an expert farmer who knows well how to treat farm animals with care and concern. Question number 5 है, compare and contrast your daily routine with that of Joel's. How would you rate the motivational level of your doing work with that of Joel's? इसका आंसर है My daily routine activities are quite different from that of Joel's. The reason is that Joel lives in the countryside, helping his parents and family members in raising and rearing cattle on their farm. He spends more time in the fields and does a great job in taking care of his farm animals along with his family. He not only studies at school but also performs various activities at his farm, thus doing hard work. I, being a city resident, just go to school and provide a little help to my family by performing minor household chores. Chores कहते हैं काम काज को. Hence, I must say that Joel's motivational level is quite high as compared to mine. Question number 6 है What skills one is required to learn if he wants to be a full-fledged farmer? इसका आंसर है If someone wants to be a full-fledged farmer, just like the Hollands, a farmer must need certain skills. First, he would need to have machine operators and huge powerful vehicles. He has to perform a variety of tasks by himself. He has to act like a mechanic, repairing the machine operators and vehicles, and a husbandman कहते हैं बागबान को, who knows the skills of raising livestock. He has to act as a veterinarian कहते हैं जानवरों के डॉक्टर को, looking after the cattle when they become sick. He also has to perform the duty of an agriculturalist, growing food on a large scale, as well as a businessman person in order to manage a farm operation just like Joel's father. Question number 7 है In what way does Joel play the role of an adult? इसका आंसर है Joel is just a teenager, but he plays the role of an adult by the amount of work he does on the farm. In the cities, only the parents work to earn the money, but on a farm, the entire family has to work together to keep the farm functioning and earn a livelihood. Each child's labor is not only important, but it is essential for the family's well-being. Joel loves his responsibilities and working as a family. He does not wish to live anywhere else and wants to be a farmer when he grows